It's an educational video presented by Patanjali Rishikul School, Prayagraj, Class 3rd, Subject Computer. Topic: Making a duplicate copy of Sprite.
Hello, my dear children. Welcome back to the class of computers. In today's class, I will be teaching you all how to make duplicate copy of a sprite. But before we start, I hope you all remember what is a sprite. So, sprite is a small graphic character which performs various actions on the scratch window. So, let's see how can we duplicate our sprite.
Children, in our today's class, we will learn how can we make the duplicate copy of a sprite. So here we will be learning few of the steps. How can we do this? First of all, for doing that, some of the new commands will be told to you. So firstly, I will be using the pen command. So in the pen command, first of all, you will see one stamp. This is the stamp command. And what is the use of this command? What it does? It copies the sprite. So I will be using this stamp command and drag it to the script area. Then I will again zoom out so that you can see easily. Okay. Then go on motion. This command you already know. So bring that to the script area. Here it is move. We will change that to 30 steps. We will make our sprite move 30 steps. So we can change. Then pen down command is here. We will bring that to the script area. We will be using this. After this we will set pen color command. Actually, when I will be using this command, it will automatically change the color of the pen. So I will be clicking on this command and drag it to the script area. Let's see the change pen color by 30. I will be changing it to 30. Okay. Now the size of the pen. This is set pen size to. I will click on it and as I have moved to the script area and I am making it to 10. So till here we have done. And this is our sprite. But what happens when our sprite touches the boundary? What the sprite should do? There is one command for this also. In the motion there is a command if on edge bounce. I will just zoom in. You will click on it and drag it to over here to the script area. So this is the command. Stamp, move 30 steps, pen down, change pen color by 30, set pen size to 10 and if on edge bounce. So let's see what it does. I will just click on it. Can you see the color of the pen is changing? So it is moving 30 steps and change pen color by 30. I just increase it to move 50 steps. Let's see the change now. So it is 50 now. You could see the color lines are bigger now because our sprite is moving 50 steps. Let's see if we can make it 200 steps. Can you see the bigger lines is there? As we keep on clicking on it, our sprite is moving 200 steps and bouncing back from the boundary or from the edge. So you have seen how we have used all these commands. I hope you have understood. Thank you.